Today, we are building something bold, functional, and made to be seen, the Green Firefighter Utility Kilt with reflective tape. Let's start the manufacturing. First, we select the green fabric and cut it according to the customer's length and width. We sew the pleats down, attach the apron to the pleated sections, and secure every seam with double stitching for maximum durability. We attach a waistband to the top, designed to distribute weight and ensure a perfect fit. Next come the adjustable nickel hooks with D-rings and snap closures, allowing the wearer to fit for both comfort and function. We measure and sew on bright yellow and silver reflective tape along the edge and pleats. We give the entire garment a final press to sharpen the pleats and smooth every edge.